More news coming in. Vinesh Phogat has filed for nomination from Haryana's Julana, from where she's contesting. Dipinder Hooda, with all Congress ticket seekers from Julana, is bringing all Congress rebels on one stage to support Vinesh. These are pictures coming in of Vinesh Phogat filing for her nominations on a Congress ticket for the upcoming Haryana Assembly elections from Julana, the seat that she is contesting from. Dipinder Hooda essentially has now brought together Congress leaders, all Congress ticket seekers from Julana who were denied a ticket in favour of Vinesh Phogat. These rebels have been brought together on one stage to support Vinesh Phogat. Phogat filing for nomination from Haryana's Julana. Remember that there were many Congress leaders who were upset about this ticket being given to Vinesh Phogat and not to them, and Dipinder Hooda seems to have brought all of them together in what it appears, Manjeet, is a show of unity of the Congress party, that we are in this together, though there are many people who were disappointed at being denied tickets this time around.
Well, as you said, the Congress leaders are trying to present a united house as far as the tickets are concerned. Only one leader has so far resigned from the party. If we compare it with the Bharatiya Janata Party, where over 32 people have quit the party and 11 of them will be contesting against the party nominees. Though BJP leaders said the efforts were being made to pacify them to withdraw their nominations. But they continue to pose a big challenge to the party nominees. As far as Vinesh Phogat is concerned, she will be challenged by the BJP's Bairagi. Vinesh Phogat has thanked the people for their love and support and hopes to win the election and enter the active politics. He had joined the Congress recently and has now been fielded from Julana. Congress leader Dipinder Hooda was seen Vinesh Phogat when she filed her nomination. Earlier, when she landed at Delhi airport, he was also seen there. The Bharatiya Janata Party leaders had criticized the Congress for enticing the players to get into the politics. But the competition here at the Julana Assembly constituency will be tough, as there will be a direct fight between the Congress and the Bharatiya Janata Party.
All right. Manjeet, getting us up to speed with those details. I'm going to thank you for the moment.